The Microsoft Outlook is a secure email application that keeps you connected and protected with your email, calendar, and files all in one place. But if you want to learn how you can add your iCloud email account to your Outlook application, you should follow the steps in this video. So first, what you need to do is launch the Microsoft Outlook on your device and ensure that you're using the latest version. Then, click the File tab. Select Info from the options on the left, and then select Add Account. On the Add Account wizard, enter your iCloud email address, and then select Connect. Then, enter your name, email address, and password, and then click on Next. You can just follow the on-screen steps to complete the process, and select Finish to start using your Microsoft email account in Outlook. With that, you have now added your iCloud email address in the Microsoft Outlook application. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.